thank you for visiting my channel. So this video is the first video that I am doing the nail tutorials. So here I am using iGel products. This is Candy Apple Mellow Yellow. Then next I'm going to be using Melon Madness, and I've sped it up very fast. And then after that is Electric Blue. Soon, someday. There we go. Then after that, it's going to be Passionate Purple. I'll leave a link in the description with all the products I used in this video. Actually, I'll just leave a list of all the products used and a link to iGel Beauty. So I'm going to cure that for 30 seconds and then I do a second coat. I finally figured out my camera issue. It was locked in sideways. Okay, so now after I finish this purple, I'm going to cure it again for 30 seconds. So now I'm going to be using iGel Beauty Crackle Gel CR2 Bodacious Black. And I kind of put it on way too thick. It's very messy, as you can tell. It flakes all over the place. So you want to do it very thin. If you can see the second nail there, I kind of did it way too thick and it's not starting to crackle. It should already start. So I had to actually put it back in a second time, and it was 240 seconds. 2 times at 120. So anyways, now I am using the Galaxy Flake F06 Aurora. Then I'll cure that for 30 seconds, and then I'm going to put the No Cleanse top coat and cure that for 90 seconds. And that's all. Yeah, the display, putting the tape on it, blah blah blah. They came out cute. I just wished I didn't put so thick of the Crackle gel. So make sure you guys follow and subscribe and watch for the next video. I'm going to be doing a podcast soon.